posted a few things this last few weeks because I've been busy. You can see we just finished painting the hallway. Turns the lights here. Painted the hallway. We did all the floors. We stripped down everything on the first floor and did all engineered hardwood. I'll be doing the baseboards here next. We painted the baseboards first, painted the wall, and then we just put them on and then go back and do any touch-ups. We also removed this cabinet here and put the hood fan, the quartz countertop, and the quartz back as well. I put in new valance lights. So these cabinets here are going to be refaced. So all these doors are going to be all brand new doors to the color we chose. And the siding and the paneling, they're going to be laminating with the same type of material so it looks the same. That makes sense. Then they'll put the valance here, back where it was. Up there we had to break it, but they'll close that up as well. So like so, it's painted. Doesn't matter because it's going to be covering and replacing that. Also, the floor here is good. We've got the new sink and faucet. The wife likes the gold, so all the new cabinet doors are going to have like a gold tinge to it, brushed gold. Over here, we widened this doorway here. It used to be a lot smaller, so it is a supporting wall, and what I did was I opened it up right to the limit. The existing wall was this wide originally, and during construction my wife told me to close it. Now she's changed her mind and wanted it back, so that's what we did. We brought it back. I also did the shiplap fireplace, so you can see here. Put the fireplace in there, electric. It is a 1500 watt electric heater. It looks nice, remote control and everything with the new TV. I am making the mantle right now. I haven't done it yet because I just want to finish inside here first. And it'll be just a slide on. It'll look like hardwood. I think she wants to stain it like a dark mahogany color or something like that. Now we got two of our chairs. We're waiting on new furniture for here as well. So yeah, we had a corner fireplace there. We took that out. Don't mind the mess because, as you can see, we're working and we have to put stuff somewhere. So basically, we're just moving stuff around. But it's getting there. It's almost there. And I'm just going to show you one thing there. Now we're just going to be working on the hallway here, and I am removing that up there. Baseboards. It's going to be straight. Just take a walk up here. We are going to be putting squares on the wall as well to decorate. What I've done is I've done the actual hardwood as well, the leftovers, and just patching up some stuff here. So that's what it was. It's coming out, and that's what it's going to be. So you can picture no baseboards. And over here, I'm just going to use a small little cord round to cover that. As soon as the stores open up, I'll go get it. And this is going to be all sanded. So all these stairs here be sanded down, and we're going to stain them to match the floor down there. So all these will be stained to match the floor. And then what we're going to do is all the risers are going to be painted white. So yeah, going to be painted white, and so all this is going to be white, and then it's going to be matched to the floor. So that's basically it. I've done the baseboards over here, and I'm just doing room per room. Added a new thermostat. I don't know if that's, so far it's been a pain in the butt trying to figure out this guy might have installed, but it's been fun though. We had this chandelier there. I took it out and I put pot light. Just makes it easier, because now, if you can picture this, our table was here. Now if we have a party, when we can have parties, we can actually run the table right long ways across here, have people on either side. So we can have a lot of people here. Instead of going to the basement, we can have it here. Maybe set up the kids there. Yes, that's what I've been doing this last few weeks, keeping myself busy and paying for it. Oh, one more thing over here, the pantry. We actually added the pantry here. So this here is going to be the coffee station, microwave, and it's going to look like all one pantry now with the coffee station and the microwave there. That way it removes the clutter on the counter. Just, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.